everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add baggage in Cebu Pacific after booking. So first of all, you have to visit the Cebu Pacific website. So you can search that on your Google and then search cebupacific.air.com and then just click on the manage booking. Now from there, just enter your booking reference number and last name to retrieve your flight itinerary. Now you will see an add baggage option in the sidebar, so make sure you click on that one. Next step is go ahead and tap on select add-on section. So once your booking is loaded, navigate to the add-on section and then you will see various options including baggage, meals, seats, and insurance. So just click on the baggage option with the luggage icon to proceed. Next step is select your preferred checked baggage allowance from the available options, which are 20 kg, 32 kg, or 40 kg. Now, each option shows the corresponding price, so you can select the weight and the best suits your travel needs. Next is complete the payment. So review your order summary showing the selected baggage option and the total amount. And then you can choose your preferred payment method from credit card, debit card, or any other available options. And then make sure to complete the payment to confirm your baggage addition. Lastly is you will see a confirmation page showing baggage added successfully and with your updated booking summary reflecting the new baggage allowance. And then a confirmation email will also be sent to your registered email address. So make sure to check your updated e-ticket or booking confirmation to verify the baggage allowance before heading to the airport. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!